Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beignets at home. First, let's gather all the necessary ingredients to begin our culinary adventure. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and active dry yeast. Don't forget milk, eggs, and unsalted butter for richness. And of course, vegetable oil for frying, plus plenty of powdered sugar for that classic finish. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our dough started. Begin by dissolving the yeast in warm milk, then stir in the sugar and beaten eggs. Gradually incorporate the flour and a pinch of salt until a soft, pliable dough comes together. Knead this dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, place it in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in size. With your dough beautifully risen, it's time to shape and fry. Gently roll out the dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Using a knife or pastry wheel, cut the dough into 2-inch squares or rectangles. Next, heat several inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few beignets into the hot oil, frying them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are puffed and golden brown. Once your beignets are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. The final and arguably best step is to generously dust them with powdered sugar while they are still warm. This creates that iconic sweet coating. Serve your homemade beignets immediately to enjoy their light, airy texture, and delightful flavor. They are truly a treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.